buy reversal. So you can see how they set it up. They pulled this trade. As soon as a seller came in, the market maker stopped the seller, right? So the market maker's now looking at that as a possible bottom edge. They want to see how much sell pressure is going to come in here. Okay, so they reversed it at that stage. Then they released the pressure here to try and bring in some sellers. That's what we were looking for. They brought in some sellers. They established a baseline for the book. They brought in some heavy sellers. Price never moved down. We bought to cross, and we took a quick pop at that and a very easy buy reversal off of a price level that we knew about because we'd already highlighted that price level to you in the background. This little buy bullish order block in the background. Remember bullish order blocks? Who's forgotten to draw bullish order blocks in their charts? Yeah, absolutely. So bullish order block reversal, very nice trade. Decent bit of a diverging value in the short term here. And a reasonable buy response to that little buy flip. Nice trade? Sure. 29s, high price 32s, 32 halves. Not exactly earth-shattering stuff, but still, a profit's a profit at the end of the day. That's all we want. Get another bit of business done and another bit of profit into the book. Into the book she goes. Very strong 2-3-4 phase in the markets today, isn't it? Very strong 2-3-4 phase. Obviously, based on the fact that the bonds are showing a 2 phase in line with the 3 and the 4 that we've got, assuming the 3 and the 4 stay in play, we should be able to work bottom edge bonds. Unfortunately, there's a lot of buyers already involved in that bottom edge bond, so it's a crowded trade, and we know what happens to crowded trades. Generally, they get snapped. So in terms of the Jack Ryans, you can see that we've got, this is the phase 2 that we're trying to buy into at the moment. This is the phase 2 because obviously we've got a solid phase 3, we've got a solid phase 4. So obviously the trade that hasn't really eventually developed into the solid phase 2 at the moment is the bond. So they therefore seem to be still manipulating the bond lower, probably to try and get rid of some of these buyers that poured into this market. So that seems to be the manipulated trade at the moment, is the bonds to bottom edges, and obviously looking to try and trap that buy back into the trade. Now, obviously, it's only just starting to set up in terms of outside values. You can see that this is starting to set up in terms of outside values in here. And obviously, that's what I'm going to be paying my attention to just now, is this current long play off the bottom edge. Agreed? Yes? No? Everybody got an opinion on it? Sure.